Hey, what's going on, everybody? This is Dotty, and I'm back with a new video this week. This week's topic, I'm gonna talk about embracing discomfort and danger. Sorry, I had a brain fart. Embracing discomfort and danger. Now, I'm very obsessed with being uncomfortable. And what I mean by that is I know for a fact that nothing great and nothing successful grows in a comfort zone. You have to get uncomfortable. You have to feel some type of discomfort. And this is so true. For example, a few years ago when I first started doing videos and any type of video production, I was doing music videos. Now, after a while, I became so comfortable with it, I stayed stagnant. Like I wasn't going up, going down. I was getting burnt out. So I had an opportunity to work with some internet marketers and starting to understand like business and actually film videos targeted towards that. And I was very uncomfortable at first. I was scared, I was nervous, but the outcome is always success. You have to jump out there. You have to get comfortable with being uncomfortable. And that goes for everything in life, because your path for greatness is not going to be seen and it's not going to show if you're forever comfortable. So always remember that it is a journey. It's going to feel scary. It's going to feel like, oh crap. It's not going to feel good. It's going to be uncomfortable. Like I said, it's going to be discomfort. However, the outcome, I promise, will always be to success. That's my quick gems I had to give to y'all this week. If you enjoyed this video, please like it, thumbs up.